Let's be clear from the start. Self-confidence is not arrogance. It's not about being the loudest person in the room or thinking you're better than everyone else. True self-confidence is something much quieter and much more powerful. It's the inner belief, the quiet knowing that you are capable, that you can handle the challenge in front of you. And when that belief is missing, it costs you opportunities. It can cost you a promotion, a new connection, or the chance to share your unique voice with the world. It holds you back in your career, in your relationships, and in your personal growth. Think about it. Have you ever been in a meeting with a brilliant idea in your head, but you stayed silent? Your heart starts pounding, you overthink how to phrase it, and then the moment passes. Later, someone else says it, and they get the recognition, and you're left with that sinking feeling of, that should have been me. That feeling, that gap between what you're capable of and what you actually do, that is the confidence problem. And the good news is, it's a problem we can solve. Have you ever felt like you lose confidence in front of others? Or that you have skills but don't know how to show them? In this video, I'll share with you simple, practical steps to build self-confidence without the fluff or empty motivation. I'm Layali. Welcome to Layali's world. Let's get started. Self-confidence is not arrogance. It's the inner belief that you are capable. A lack of confidence can cost you opportunities, whether in your career, relationships, or personal growth. Imagine this. You have a brilliant idea in a meeting, but you stay silent. Later, someone else says it and gets the recognition. That's what low confidence can do. The first step to building confidence is changing your inner dialogue. Most of us repeat negative phrases to ourselves. I'm not good enough. I'll fail. I'm not like others. Replace them with, I'm learning. I'm improving. I deserve to try. Here's a simple exercise. Write down 3 positive statements about yourself every day and say them out loud. Your body speaks before your words do. When you stand tall, make eye contact, and smile, your brain starts to believe you are confident. Try the power pose. Stand tall, hands on your hips, deep breaths for 2 minutes. It might feel silly, but it works. Confidence is built through small, repeated victories. Don't wait for a huge achievement, start small. Exercise for 10 minutes, read 5 pages, finish one simple task. Each small win adds a deposit into your confidence bank. Confident people are not fearless, they simply see failure differently. They treat failure as feedback, not as a label. Remember Thomas Edison? He said, I have not failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that don't work. Failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of the journey. Finally, keep investing in yourself. Read books, learn new skills, exercise, take care of your appearance. Confidence comes from knowing you are growing, becoming better today than you were yesterday. So, to build confidence, change your self-talk. Use confident body language. Celebrate small wins. Embrace failure as feedback. Keep improving yourself. Self-confidence is not something you're born with, it's a skill you build every day. Tell me in the comments, which step will you start practicing today? If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out this video here. See you in the next video.